Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. It's 10th standard real number exercise 8.4. The first main you are going to, they given few question, you are going to check whether they are terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion using the without using long division method. Okay, so how to find out means we have to conclude that only seeing the denominator only, because it is p by q format. Okay, rational numbers in format of p by q. If q in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n means that is terminate, otherwise extra anything is there means that is non-terminating. Okay, so first see the first sum, 13 by 3125. If you find out this 3125 using prime factor method, we can get 5 times 5. Is it in the form of means 2 is missing, means we can write 2 power 0, because anything power 0 is 1. So it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So this decimal expansion is terminating. Okay, see the another one example sum like 65 by 455. 455 you should find first it is divisible by 2, 3 means no. So check whether it is divisible by 5 means yes, it is 91. 91 is divisible by 2, 3, 5 means no, it is divisible by 7 by 13. So this 455 we can divide 5 into 7 into 13. So it is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. 5 term is there, 2 term is not there. We cannot 2 power 0 also, but extra 7 into 13 are there. So it is non-terminating and repeating. Like that, remaining we can answer it. So this is 8. 8 we can write as 2 cube. 5 power 0 we can write. So it is also terminating. This is 1600 is automatically come 2 into 5 powers only. Next 343. Clearly we are knowing it is 7 cube. So it is non-terminating. This is they only given 2 power 5 power. So it is terminate. Here extra 7 power is there. So it is not terminate. 6 power 15. 15 we are going to divide means 3, 5. So 2 term is not there, but extra 3 is there. So it is non-terminating and repeating. 50 also we have to divide means 50 divided by 2 means it is 25, again 5, 5. So these also terminate. 210 also, just think 210 means it is come 2, 105. Again 5 means it is come again 21, 3, 7. 3, 7 extra is there. So it is non-terminating. Like that you are going to solve. Second main what they are given means in first main which are the sum is terminating, you should find out that decimal expansion. You should find out that decimal expansion. See here the first sum is terminate. So I am taken 13 by 3125. So this how to find out means this is actually it is expansion is 13 by 3105 power 5. Okay, if divided by multiples of 10 means it is easy for me. 5 which number we should multiply to convert 10? 2. Okay, here power 5 is there means here also we need power 5. Okay, so I multiply 2 power 5 in denominator means same thing I have to do in the numerator also. That step only we are doing here. If 5 power 5 is there means you should multiply 2 power 5, then only 5 2s are 10 will come. In case 2 power anything there, you should multiply 5 power, that's all. So next 13 into 2 power 5 is 32. So this is using the exponential formula. If base are different, power are same, it is in multiplication means we should multiply the base together. So the same thing for 10 power 5, 13 into 32 is 416. So 416 is 10 power 5 is 1 lakh. There is no decimal point means the decimal point in last. Here how many zeros are there? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here point should come. In this 2 place there is no number. So add 2 zeros. Okay. The next sum also 15 by 1600 I am taken. So actual this decimal expansion is 15 by 2 power 6 into 5 squared. Okay. But we are need 5 power 6. But 5 squared already is there. So what we should add remaining 5 power 4 into 5 power 4. If denominator what are the difference we are going to do, you have to do the numerator also. Next 5 power 4 expansion is 625. This is also 5 power 6. Both together applying the same formula. 10 power 6 means 10 lakhs. So same thing. There is no decimal point. The meaning is last. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0.00. This will be the answer. Okay, like that you are going to solve the remaining sum. The next third main is they given some number. You are going to find out is it rational or not. Then if it is rational means what will be the Q. Okay, so the first question is 43.1234578 so how to write this? After the point, how many numbers are there? That many zeros we should add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 9 zeros. So this is P by Q format. This is the multiples of 10. So multiples of 10 means we can write 2. 10 I divide 2 into 5. This is we written as 10 power 9. So 10 I divide 2 into 5 whole to the power 9. So it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m. So it is the rational number. Okay, terminating rational number. Next, second question, they are given non-terminating and non-repeating also. See the questions, you can understand easily. See the questions here. 0.120, it is not terminating. Even non-recurring also, it is not repeated anywhere. So it is not a rational, it is a irrational number. Irrational number means we not even think about P by Q format. So the next number is for third one 43 point. It is a non-terminating but repeating. Okay, repeating. The bar means these many digits are repeating. Okay, so the given I am taken x. How many digits are repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So multiply 9 zeros like both sides. So this side also that many zeros into x. This side multiply means this point will move on after 9 digit. So the point will come here. Again the same digits are repeating. Okay. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. You should subtract 1 from 2. So this is the 2. This x minus x. Okay, this x, this many x minus x equal to this number minus this number. Okay, how to subtract? You are going to see. So minus 1. So 1 means this will we are getting. Okay. So if you subtract, you can get 99 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. So you should, after the decimal, these things repeating here also, this thing repeating. So these two are cancelled. 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 4 is 4, remaining all, because this meaning here 0, 0, subtract. So only we required x. So this number here, this is in multiplication, those this side it will be the division. Both are divisible by 3. So take common factor 3 is there, so divisible by 3. So now this P by Q format in Q is 333. It is in the not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m. So this expansion must be there. Now that only we get it. Non-terminating and repeating. Okay, is it clear? I hope you are understand. Practice this exercise. Thank you.